Hello, my name is Chin. I'm a software developer in Salesforce. So today I will show a quick demo to create some like TagCloud in the client side. When you search on the website, you can see some like in some website like this one, you can see this kind of fancy animation that is like a TagCloud. Actually, when you hit that, and you can like focus on some of them, and you can see it's rotate automatically. So if you want to have such kind of fantastic dynamic animation in your website, so how can we do that? So today I will introduce two ways that you can do this very quickly in 5 minutes. So let's go. I have two files here. One is called TagCloud, that is use a JavaScript library called TagCloud. And what we have here is we need the library file and also the CSS file. And this is our sample. So let's try this first. Okay, so it's very simple. And here you can see I have several tags here. Like you can see the weight of different tag is different, and because this one is largest and someone is small. So if we look at the code here, let's open this one. Actually, we have the word array here. In each element in the array, we can set the text for that element and also set the weight that will show. So you can see the copy we set weight as 15, so it will show the most important element in this TagCloud. And the only thing we need to do is we call this jQuery and pass this array inside as a parameter. So everything this jQuery library can handle by us. But it's very simple. But the best thing is this one is static. So everything you put here actually is static. You can do nothing about that. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention one thing, that you can get a link for this one. For example, for this one, if you click on that one, you point to another link. Okay, so this is, I would say, pretty straightforward and very simple, like 10 lines code, and in 5 minutes you can do it. This is maybe good if you want to, in your website, you just show it in a static image, and probably also say whether you want to retrieve some information. If you get some like data from a certain person's Twitter like usage, and you can do some like data mining and show an image here, say, okay, which items does this person care most about, and show a tag cloud here. So that makes more sense. So how about if you want to create like a dynamic cloud like this way? How can we do this? Okay, so let's try this. I have another here that called tag canvas. So actually it's using another JavaScript library called tag canvas. So what we need here is more simple, as like we need the library file here, and we also have a sample here. So let's try this first. Okay, cool. So it's like a quick demo sample I set up here. So I have different tag in my cloud. These are social icons like Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, and Instagram. And yep, so they will like rotate automatically. So if you put there, it can rotate. You can select any of them, and you can have a link of them for about them for LinkedIn. If I click on that one, I'll go to my LinkedIn profile here. Yep, and go. Let's go back to this. So we have several buttons here. We can restart it. It will restart. We can pause it. We can resume it. Pause, resume, and also we can do rotate. That's cool, right? Yeah, this is just some basic functionality that the tag canvas library provides us. There's a more options and other functions you can explore more when you look at the library. And also another thing I want to show is actually there's a shape for this like tag cloud. You can define what kind of shape you want this TagCloud shows. For this one, this is Sophia, and you can see like a vertical cylinder that is look like this way. It's like rotate, like vertical, and something horizontal ring. That is cool. And vertical ring also. Yeah, there's more options that you can define here. So let's look at the code a little bit more. Open this one. So what we have here is I use this tag canvas jQuery plugin, and first I need to instantiate this canvas with little options attributes here, like the text color and the max speed, the shape here, and also the minimum speed, make it to rotate automatically at the first time. And then I need to define a tag here, and including everything that is I want showing this TagCloud. Here is a bunch of image and with a link to the real social website, and I pass this tag to here when you instantiate the canvas, and pass this tag to the like kind of provided data for this tag canvas. And below, the code is not very good, it's a little ugly, but I just want to do a quick demo here. And you have several buttons, and like this one is for the restart, and this one is for pause. The usage is very simple. You just call the library, and you can call pause. That will call the function pause in this library, and also change the shape. That is actually update the value here. I have a change shape method here, and it's grab the shape value from the user input and put it here, or change the shape. So it's pretty straightforward, and it's very nice to use, and it's very easy to see. Look at this, it's beautiful. It's very easy, like 5 minutes. You can implement in your website and make your website more fantastic and visual. So yeah, actually in the end I want to mention several things. So this is, I use like two kind of JavaScript libraries. The first one I'm using is this one, the TagCloud. That is, you can generate a static like TagCloud image on your website. And the second one, which is more fantastic, like dynamic, as this one called Tag Canvas. And I also put these two links in my GitHub, so you can also download my sample code here. That is, if you go to my GitHub, and you can find this repository called TagCloud. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, just send me an email, or if you like this video, just like it. Thank you.